Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. So let's start with EURUSD. Uh, as you can see, I was in the daily time frame. I thought that this pair was going to reverse from this side, from the at this point. Uh, you can see there was a big wick in daily time frame order block, and I thought that it would be taking a pullback and then reversing, but the daily voice was towards the upside, but I didn't thought much and I just went and took a trade. I entered on this after a clear inducement. I did not enter at this point because there was no clear 1:2 risk to reward ratio, at least for me at this point. If I put myself here, but yes, here I took a trade on this red candle, this one. So from 10 market is just going upward, and I was too scared to be frank, but so, I'm just hoping that it would not give me SL because it is a clear structure that in 15 minutes time frame is not in 1 hour. You can see there was a break of structure inducement, again break of structure inducement, again break of structure, but it was change of character at this point. So I thought that market would be giving inducement here, a little wick, and then falling towards downside. But no, market has its own intentions. So kind of I was in FOMO, fear of moving out, and I just went into this trade at this point and hoping that I would get 1:2. But let's see what happens. I'll update you. And other in CDUSD, I took a trade. Like there was clear change of character at this point. If you have seen my last video, I took a trade at this point after this inducement, this red candle, and I was able to capture the move 1:2, and I was in profit. After that, this was low, and after change of character, toward sorry, the break of structure towards downside. There was no inducement at this point. This was the last swing. After it was uh, it was induced. This was my low, and I could not find any proper order block in 15 minutes. So I just went in at I'm not sure which candle, but yes, it was, I guess, this one, and my stop loss was hit in no time. My stop loss was above this. It was clear 1:2.5 something. I was wrong here. I should have. The mistake I did mainly was I did not check the bias, daily bias, what exactly it was telling. I have to accept my mistake here, and the stop loss here, other here, future trade that I will take. Checking the JPY, there was clear break of structure towards upside. This is my inducement point where waiting that it should be sweeping the liquidity. After coming here, I'll wait for a positive green candle to enter the trade. Same for GBPJPY. There was break of structure, and as now it was moving upward, there was clear inducement. For me, kind of short trade. I'll try to take this towards the downside. If market goes towards the downside, if market first come into this point in this order block, I'll enter on the red candle and take 1:2 or 1:3 at least, maybe same for GPY, kind of the same structure which we have break of structure for heading mark the line, and then market was going towards up. This is the inducement. If market comes here and then create a big red candle, I'll just take kind of a scalp here and put my stop loss above this thing. Yes, that would work. So yes, that's it for today. I didn't capture any trade in gold. It was too volatile for me. I'm not good in trading in 1 minute. I was kind of in FOMO. I was looking people screenshot that they were posting for 1 minute time frame that they took 1200 point scalp, and that I did not find any proper structure for me which I could have traded at this point. It was just one way moving upward and upward, no inducement, no pullback, and so yes, not for me. To be frank, I took a small, tried a short scalp here after I was seeing it was moving one way up after this inducement. This was the order block. I did not enter here. I was seeing it moving going upward. Just to be frank, I just kind of that this was the picture. Here it took the liquidity sweep here, and I entered on this candle. Stop loss was below this. I set my target to 1:2 as I usually do, but uh, as soon as it went towards upside at this point, I first moved my stop loss to here, and then when it was moving downwards, I put my trailing stop loss at this point. So I exited at a small profit, but that was clearly a big no for me, that I should not have traded that part. It was nowhere near where I should be trading. But if you see clear structure, uh, I should not take so much of internal liquidity sweeps and trade them. To be clear, it should be like this. Should be according to me. I do not promote these. Not this one. This was liquidity sweep. This market move towards upside. I was thinking it could be taking this liquidity, but no, it's not done. Sorry, this, this. So as liquidity was not flipped, this is the new high. This is the new low. Market should come and sweep this. This should be the new MSS, and as soon as it sweeps this, it can also move more towards upside. Just hoping, but I don't usually trade 1 minute because it is too volatile, and uh, I'm not that kind of good in 1 minute charts. So just thinking that this could happen, but no, I would not recommend you to trade on this. So have a good day. Thank you. Bye.